Want to automatically reply to every comment on your social media posts without lifting a finger? Imagine engaging with your audience instantly while you focus on creating content. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Vista Social. Log into your Vista Social website and click Create Automation. You can either use a template or start from scratch. I usually start from scratch, so select that and continue. Here you can build the automation. I'll name it Custom. You can create this automation for any platform connected to Vista Social. I'll select Instagram. Next, choose the event type. You can run this as a comment, direct message, or other methods. Since we're creating a comment automation, select Comment on Post or Reel. Then choose All Posts, because this automation is for all future posts. If needed, you can also set it up for specific posts. You can add keywords here, but since this automation applies to all posts, we won't add any keywords. Set followers only to no, because comments can also come from non-followers. Then click Continue. Now select the action. You can choose actions like sending a message to the inbox, replying with a comment, and more. Here, select Comment. Next, add a prompt to define the tone and style of the AI comment reply. We'll use AI instead of plain text. If you choose text, the same reply will be used for every comment. In the AI section, type your prompt here. Now the creation process is complete. Click Save and Set Live. The automation is now saved and you can see it listed as custom. You can pause or edit it anytime based on your needs. Now, whenever someone comments on a new post, they'll receive a reply comment from Digifix within seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more social media automation tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.